Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix client error in Twitter. First, check your internet connection. For that, scroll down from left corner of your phone and make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Try opening another app or website to confirm your internet working. After that, close the Twitter app completely, swipe up to remove it from recent app, then reopen it. This refresh the app and fix the small glitches. If error continue, restart your phone. For that, hold volume button and power button until it say slide to power off. Restarting usually clears temporary system problem that can cause client error. You can also update the Twitter app. For that, go to the App Store. In the search bar, type app update if one is available. Using an old version often causes error. Turn off VPN or proxy if you are using one. VPN can block Twitter servers and cause client error. If Twitter still shows a client error, log out of your account and log back in. This refresh your login session. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.